Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Koshinga Festival is held in Nantou every November. It commemorates the time that Zheng Zhonggong successfully defeated the Dutch at Luarman in Tainan. One of the festival events sees two teams racing along an 80-meter track, each shouldering a large replica warship. At the end of the course, one person from each team has to climb a rope hanging from the city gate. The first team to take down the triangular flag at the top wins. The Koshinga Festival symbolizes the spirit of the united Hakka people.
Hey, what's up? It's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello, 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And now it's the month of November. I think it's time for Leo to teach us or introduce to us festivals in November with the Hakka people. 这个客家人每一个月一定都有什么节庆庆典在举办嘛，对不对？
这个月份有一个客家12大节庆里面的桂香抢神功。
桂香抢神功要抢什么东西？谁要抢什么东西？
就是国庆抢成功。
国庆抢成功，哎，郑成功，那一定是跟郑成功有关系的，对不对？
对。
Oh, okay. So this is one of 12 important festivals in the Hakka culture, and it has to do with that famous general Koshinga. 那就表示在台南举办了，对不对？
错。
错是错的意思哎，我错了，怎么可能？郑成功安平港拜托。
哎呀，这个活动呢是在我妈妈的故乡南投的桂香乡。
桂香乡是哪一个乡？
国庆乡。
就国庆乡 in Nantou County. Okay, so I thought that this festival should take place naturally in Tainan because that's where Koshinga was based in. But there's a township in Nantou County where Leo's mom is from, and the township is actually named after the general Koshinga, so it's Guoxing Township in Nantou County.
这个活动就是仿照当年那个郑成功他登陆台南鹿儿门的过程，然后他又造了那个战舰的船的形状的东西嘛，然后就让两组去比赛，看谁推了80公尺长的那个赛道，谁先成功就是抢成功。
Oh, okay. So there's a race that takes place during this festival, and they replicate one of the warships that was found back in the days when General Koshinga defeated the Dutch at Luarman. And so two teams would actually have to race down an 80-meter track and then try to see who gets there first. And of course, whoever succeeds wins. 所以这个活动叫做
桂香抢神功。
桂香抢成功 and it happens this month in Nantou County. Go visit it and have fun. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺自say张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.